For expert heating installation in Dakota County, Minnesota, trust Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt to keep your home warm and efficient. Our team specializes in installing a wide range of heating systems, including furnaces, heat pumps, and boilers, tailored to meet your specific needs and budget. We prioritize energy efficiency, comfort, and reliability in every installation, ensuring your new system provides optimal performance throughout Minnesota's cold winters. From selecting the right equipment to professional installation, we guide you every step of the way. Choose Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt for dependable heating installation services in Dakota County, Minnesota, and enjoy a cozy home all season long. Contact us today, Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a heating installation near me? You can stop looking. You found Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt. How much does heating installation cost in Dakota County, Minnesota? The cost of heating installation varies based on the type of system, size of your home, and specific needs. Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt offers free estimates and competitive pricing to provide an accurate quote tailored to your requirements. What types of heating systems does Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt install in Dakota County, Minnesota? Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt installs a wide range of heating systems, including furnaces, heat pumps, boilers, and ductless mini splits. We help you choose the best system for your home size, efficiency needs, and budget. What is your heating installation service office for Dakota County, Minnesota? Our local heating installation service office have served clients in the surrounding areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bloomington HVAC Bob Boldt office? We are located at 8400 Normandale Lake Boulevard, Bloomington, Minnesota 55437, United States. Our phone number is 651-237-3254. Visit our website, https://bobvic.com/bloomington-.